The road towards a new tuberculosis or TB vaccine follows a so-called end-to-end approach encompassing everything from initial discovery via a licensed vaccine to the actual use of the vaccine in populations who need it. The tuberculosis vaccine development pathway is a tool for optimizing the first stretch of this journey from discovery to the licensed product. It is a free, web-based tool designed to support professionals, including developers, funders, and decision-makers, through the 10 essential stages required to prepare the product. TB is a critical global health challenge, claiming more lives than any other single pathogen. The urgency to create effective vaccines is not merely an academic pursuit, it's about saving lives. However, unraveling this complex development process can often feel overwhelming. You might have a potentially transformative product with promising initial results, but it's essential to approach this process wisely. Are you executing tasks in a resource-efficient order? Have you considered all the risks? What blockers could come along and hinder your progress? Are you including the right people? It's a complex and lengthy journey that requires a range of expertise, careful management of parallel activities, and informed decision-making. Each stage of the pathway represents a distinct phase of development, from initial discovery through clinical trials to the point where the vaccine is ready for implementation. Between these stages are decision points, called gates, that serve as important checkpoints. These gates help ensure your vaccine candidate meets the proposed minimum criteria before advancing to the next phase. Developed by TBVI in collaboration with IAVI and experts from the scientific community, the pathway provides detailed guidance aligned with regulatory frameworks and the WHO preferred product characteristics. It outlines the specific functions and their specific tasks required at each stage, including, for example, safety assessments and immunogenicity evaluations. By following this structured approach, you can manage the complexities of vaccine development with confidence and peace of mind, ensuring that no crucial steps are overlooked. If you have questions or need assistance navigating the pathway, our dedicated product and clinical development team is just a message away, ready to help you progress new candidates for people who urgently require them. Get in touch at info@tbvi.eu.